Hi everybody, it's 2-Minute Tuesday, and I have so many people always asking about composting in place and what you can put in your compost. So let me tell you what I put in my compost. I put in cooked food, raw food, food from the garden, food that's not from the garden, canned food, frozen food, food that you don't even know what it is that you found in the back of your refrigerator. You can put in milk, no problem with that. Cheese, you can put in pickles, dump the brine. I wouldn't put the brine in. People have asked me, can you put meat in your compost in place containers? Yes, if you don't have dogs or critters getting in there, you can always cover it too if you want to. Flowers, you grow lots of flowers and the flowers are dying, not non-edible flowers, put that in there when you clean up your garden. Some people are putting other stuff in that belongs in the bathroom, I think. But you know what? It's their compost. Let them put it in there because that too was alive at one time. You can put in orange rinds, and if you're a lemonade person and you're making tons of lemonade, maybe a little less on the lemons then. But anything you can put in, it doesn't even have to be food matter. It could be leaves from your garden, leaves from trees, coffee liners and tea bags. They're fine too. And toilet paper rolls, as long as they're all made out of paper. It doesn't matter, anything pretty much. If it was alive, if it came off a tree, that's what you put into your compost bins and compost in place. I even asked Gary, I said, tell me with great excitement, what do you put in your compost in place? Because he doesn't get the kitchen scraps. I grab them and I put them in mine. So this is what Gary had to say.
If I see yellowing leaves under the Swiss chard, I just cut them with a pair of scissors. I take my pair of scissors, cut them off, throw them under the bananas. Everything goes under the bananas, and then I get some wood chips, throw on top of that, and then my bananas just keep producing. Everything's for the bananas. Leaves from other trees, if it's like green, sort of leafy, twiggy stuff, under the bananas. Everything is composted in place that way. That's how I compost in place. I also put compost in, I put leaves, green leafy leaves, and leaves from my Swiss chard and everything else that's growing down there in those floral buckets with the bottoms cut out, and I have that sitting around my papayas. So it leaches into the ground around my papayas. Sometimes I fill it with water and just pour it out. What do you want me to say?
You have another minute left.
Now, I think other gardeners and everybody else should start doing 2-Minute Tuesdays as well, because a lot of us don't have time to watch crazy videos like mine that go on to 45, 50, 60 minutes. Some people just want to come in, see something quick, and get on their way. And if they're interested in it, then they'll go look for some other videos that maybe are the same subject you did. So with that, have a great day, compost everything, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye, everybody.